Welcome back to ITSC 1316, and in this video we'll be going over run levels in Linux and how to view and change which one you are using. In CentOS 7, which uses systemd to manage its processes, they are called targets. But if you know anything about run levels already, the targets we are working with correspond to what the run level does. Let's first look at the targets we will use, what they do, and how they correspond to the run levels. As you can see in the chart, in everyday use, you would either use 3 or 5 for your default, depending on the purpose of the server. These targets specifically load certain units, such as the GNOME desktop if you use a graphical target, or run level 5. This list also shows which targets you can set to boot to by default. There are other targets that exist, but unless you change the configuration of the target, you can't use them to boot to. Now let's look how to view all the currently active targets and how to view all the targets on your system. Make sure you're under your root account to do this. The command to do this is systemctl -- target. You can see we have such targets as graphical, network, and sound loaded. Now let's take a look at the full list. The command we use to do that is systemctl -- type = target -- all. Now we see a longer list, and now we see some that are not active, such as rescue, shutdown, and umount. The next thing we'll look at is how to switch targets and how to change our default target. To switch targets, we use the command systemctl isolate followed by the target name. I'll change to the multi-user mode and then change back to graphical. I type in systemctl isolate multi-user.target and hit enter. So you see the outcome of running that command puts me into a black command line only screen. Next, after I log into root, I'll run systemctl isolate graphical.target. And it puts me back to a login screen to the GUI. Lastly, we will look at how to change the default target. First, to view the current target that is set as the default, use systemctl get-default, and to set the default, use systemctl set-default followed by the target name you wish to set the default to. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.